Hello Galactic Family. I think it's our belief that ascension happens as a divine process, orchestrated by God and the heavens, so we think it's going to be a chauffeured ride in a stretch limo rather than a solitary hike up Mount Everest. We're moving into crunch time now. This is going to be the hard part as the 3D paradigms become disordered and chaos erupts. Our job now, as light beacons, gatekeepers, and empowered masters, is to keep the energy moving into the 5D path. We do that with our intention, intuition, and a firm belief in our roles in this ascension mission. We are on a mission to move ascension along and allow it to manifest. That's why we are here, and disorder and chaos are part of that process. Disorder happens when the 3D paradigms come apart, as they are now. What was once a closed, ordered, limited system suddenly loses its order and everything gets disrupted, like a feather pillow that suddenly bursts apart. For a while there is a mess until everything settles down, then we can assess the mess and decide what we're going to do next. Disorder must happen to make room for 5D energy, because it is only by dismantling the control, power, and domination of the 3D paradigms that we can create space for new frequencies. Chaos happens when a structure that depends on control, limitation, and order to function suddenly comes apart. There is no room for creativity in the 3D paradigms, so as soon as they become disordered, chaos happens. If you have ever been in a big city like Los Angeles and the traffic lights stop working, you know what chaos looks like. No one knows when to go or stop, as the order that traffic signals impose is no longer there. That is where we are now, and it will get worse before it gets better. To understand how much control 3D imposes on us, we have to allow chaos to happen. Then once the energy is free to move in a new direction, bringing in the creative energies of 5D will control the chaos and a new structure will be created. Today we are so out of balance in the 3D paradigms that any disruption to them results in a massive amount of chaos and fear, because they are based in fear energy. As we are moving in massive amounts of high-frequency energy now, the fear is going to be very evident in ways that it was not before. It is simply another energy, and we have to be careful to not give it more power than it has. And one additional item that needs to be mentioned here is the resistance to this change, which we are seeing everywhere and especially in the MSM mainstream media. The people whose very existence depends on the presence of closed 3D systems are fighting for their lives, in every sense of the word. But their options are very limited, as 3D is no longer the closed, limited, structured system that it has been for eons. Now it is opening up to new potentials, disordering, and the structures that have been in place to maintain 3D are no longer viable. There is no place for these people to go now, as the 3D paradigm they want to be in is gone, and they are not only not ready for 5D prime time, they do not want any part of it. Their only option, they believe, is to recreate the fear and bring us all back into 3D, but that is not going to happen. What you may be feeling as loss and fear is their energy. Be sure to pay attention to your own emotional energy and stay within your energy boundaries. And we are on the fast train now, moving forward and integrating and releasing as we go, creating disorder and chaos, and then reordering the energies into new, more fulfilling, higher energy pathways. It is not an easy process in the sense that we are actively participating, not being led. We are in control of the process, not being told what to do. We can have the limousine, but we're riding in the front seat, not the back, and maybe even driving. It's a good time to engage your intuition and manifestation skills, to be very focused on the peace, joy, love, and abundant energies you want in your life, and that creates those pathways for the chaos to reorder itself into. Shine on, shine brightly, and stay focused on those 5D paradigms. This is Ascension, and we're on the leading edge, guiding the new paradigms home to us.